Doggy, wake up.
Jesus Christ.
Morning, doggy. I want to the doggy. Doggy, get up, man. We're tired of you. This look out and stunting. Right? Black supporter. It's a fruit. It's not native to Jamaica, but it's here and it's a fruit. It's very good for your immune system. A lot of things. It's even said it's good for I forgot the type of cancer they say lupus. Yes, guys, if you're seeing me, that means that I'm in the North Coast. That's in Oneyardie, and we're at the Airbnb at the Crest. So we just pulled up. We got here late. We got checked. It was a little bit issue to getting in, but trust me, it worked. Drive. It worked. The energy. I'm telling you, the place is lit. I'm just gonna give you guys a tour of it. It's really nice. What I see online and what I'm getting is exactly what it is. It's very nice. It's night now, so you're not gonna see much. So I'm just gonna show you as I walk in the Airbnb. Again, if you're first time to this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the page to Oneyardie. Not any yardie, but Oneyardie. So don't forget to hit the subscription button, like the video, watch it all the way through, and write this. Alright, so this is it. This is it. This is, and who is this? Oneyardie. Yardie. You're the fan. You're the fan coach. Alright. Right, so this is the Airbnb we stayed in. Yeah, very demure, very cute. I'm feeling it. It's very, yeah, life is simple. It's really true. Life is simple. Life is very simple. Right? And this is it. The kitchen. This is the kitchen. We just come in. Very nice. Nice. Right here. Very demure. Very cutesy. I'm loving it. It's giving. It's giving. It's giving, people. So this, as I said, it's an Airbnb. It's at the Crest. You know, I could, I'm gonna leave the information in the description. So this is it. This is one of the bedrooms right here. This is one of the bedrooms. Very nice. I just love it. It's very nice, very cute. I just love the way how they put it together. You know, the attention to detail. I'm telling you, I feel like I'm home. You feel like I'm in my own house. Very clean. Yes. Here's the closet. I guess that's closed. And this is the bathroom. And now, if I could find the light, I could turn the light on. Yes, and this is the bathroom. Very nice, very clean, very demure. I'm loving it. So yes, so. And this is bedroom number 2. Almost the same, identical, very nice. And so, and this is, I guess this is bedroom number 3 is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom, so just a lot of closet space. Another closet space, very nice, very nice. Very demure, very cutesy. Yes. See that? And this is the master bedroom. Master bath, I should say. So this is the master bath. Double sink, walk-in shower, and I'm telling you, it's clean. When I say clean, I mean it's very, very, very clean. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Oneyardie. Okay? Like, share, and subscribe to the page. Like it, share it, and subscribe. Trust me, it's not costing you any money to subscribe to the page. Support. You know, interact with the channel. You know, leave a comment. Talk to me. May I hear you? I will respond. Just say something. Say something demure, so something cute, you know? You may say? Yeah, right there so. So you know me in Jamaica, and you know me I go show them the things them and talk up the things them, and you know it's the Jamaica land we love, cause you know what we call it, land wood and what?
Land wood and water.
Right there so. And telling you what they should do, Zimba?
Like and subscribe.
Like, share and
Subscribe
to what? Oneyardie, not the band, you know, Oneyardie. So that's a welcome home. I mean like that. Yeah. This is it, people. Very nice. Very nice, very nice, very demure. So what do you think about the Airbnb, Mr. Hall, so far? Hmm? So what do you think about the Airbnb?
Me tired and just want to relax.
That's what taking the viewers them the real truth about the Airbnb, your views and your first impression of the Airbnb.
First impression, you make me last.
Mm-hmm.
People make me last. Secondly, them I drive past the place, I don't know numbers.
You're going to who you attack? Your big friend?
It looks comfortable.
Homie?
It's homey. Yeah.
Okay, so that's when, you know, let them know, cause, you know, we'll put the name of the house and Airbnb, you know, if somebody interested in coming this Airbnb, they can always come and check it out, you know. It's very homey, very nice, very demure, beautiful. Right, let's see. Yes. So this is our first morning in the Airbnb. Good morning, Slado.
Morning there.
You see that? You see us? Marita that chat me? Yes, see that chat me? You are talking about something take your lighter. Wake up, man. Wake up.
Burn light up, light up. You're innocent. I'm gone with it. That was it.
Wake up. Yeah. In the backyard. Out and stunting. How did you sleep last night?
Well.
You see not on the AC? No, sir.
You can't take my black coldness.
You can't take a coldness. You used to eat. Doggy. Morning, doggy. Wake up, doggy. Wake up, wake up. Early to bed, early to rise. Grow up to be a good little child, doggy. Doggy, get up. Doggy, get up. Doggy, get up. Doggy, get up. Wake up, doggy. Wake up, doggy. Wake up. Wake up, doggy. Come on, wake up, doggy. Doggy, doggy. Come on, doggy. Doggy, wake up. Morning, doggy. I want to the doggy. Doggy, get up, man. We're tired of your doggy.
Coach up,
Yeah, coach up. You used to AC, brother? You used to AC? Remember, say you bill for your father, you know? For your father, you bill it. Okay. Yeah, I bill for him, father, you know? Yeah. What's the general? What go on, Zimba? What go on, general? You're out and stunting, Zimba. Yes, my people. Yes, morning. So, this morning, wake up with rain. Rain. So, we're at the Crest development in St.Ann. I'm telling you, this is beautiful. You know, so all of the people, them, well, there's no vacancy over here. Everything buy out, me dear. Everything is sold out. You know, so anybody who I think say Jamaica not keep, I lie when I tell Jamaica keep. Yeah. So, as I said, good morning again. If it's the first time visiting the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the page, the Oneyardie. No other than the Oneyardie. You know, say, once you see me, you know, say me they are yard, not abroad. You know, Jamaica is always my first home. I will never sell it for nowhere in the world. So, again, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It will be appreciated. It don't cost anything to subscribe to the page. It's, you know, just subscribe, watch it, like it, share it. You know if you do. Don't forget. All right. So I go on, big man. Where you sleep last night?
Should I still asleep?
So I still asleep?
I about wake up
They
everybody.
can be at Jamaica and I'm still asleep. Watch out, pan doggy. Why doggy? Doggy, you're pregnant doggy?
Hey, what do I sleep, man?
Yeah, people make. I would love to go outside, people, but it's raining and I can't look.
I get up and do it and leave you alone, man.
Yeah. But leaving her alone for what? Come on. Early to bed, early to rise, grow up to be a good little child. Zimba wake up and in white rub already, man. Yeah, people, man, telling them, I said, this is, let me go out there, so because if I'm not sure, I'm not going to believe. Say, oh no, people are talking about, oh, Jamaica is bad, Jamaica is this. Don't look. See it here. This is Jamaica. This is the Jamaica where you not see. This is the Jamaica where people not show. This is the Jamaica where family can live. You can have your nice family, living on the color. You call it color soccer, whatever they call it. Look, see there. Look at this. This is Jamaica. This is Jamaica. This is the land we love. This is just like you're there in one of those development in your own country named America. See it there? Not even dog on no sip on road. You see it there? When me I come over here, yesterday when I look in my sea, look there. Right there, so when me I come over here last night, I say look like a Miami me there, Florida, or Orlando. See it there? Very nice. Very, very nice. This is where I'm staying at. Yeah, but look, Panny. It's nice, man. Very nice. So yeah, this is the Jamaica one now see. This is Jamaica where they're not showing. This is when people say them come back home. You don't come home and go build this bigger level house in this neighborhood where you grew up in this place. You come in this is when you return back to your country. These are the places you come to feel safe, gated, secure community. Yes, secured community where, trust me, nobody can come in this community here. The security is so tight at the gate that everybody in the car, down to the very taxi driver, have to give in driver's license plate, and anybody can come into this neighborhood. That's what I'm showing you. Say, you all can come home and live a decent, happy life. You get up and build up these big level house, these mansions. When I believe when you pick them no want it, nobody no want it. See there? No, look. So you see it? And this is just a half fight. I'm gonna drive around later and show you guys the rest of it. Yeah. When I build up this big one, come in, I want like a nice gated community with a nice little backyard, doing a little farming and stuff. And see it there? As I say, early rain a fall, and it's just beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful, and I love it very, 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 very. So as I say, people, we're gonna build up this big house for go back on the community where you come from. There's a lot of envy, there's a lot of things going on. You come at places where you not forget you don't need no maid, you don't need no labor around, you don't need no them. That's to be safe. You see rain come down there. To be safe. These are the things that you don't have to think about when you come back home. What I build up this 4-story, 5-story house for? What I do? What is it? That money we wanna take a build them 2-story, 5-story. Take it and buy into a nice gated community. You understand me? Quiet, peaceful retirement. When you say retirement, when you left America, you say retirement. This is what you call retirement. When I build up this 2-story, 3-story house for, they don't need maid. We don't have people in a community. And the same people, they want to know a hurt on a stranger. Remember that. This is what retirement is about. When I build up this tent, so you need a gardener, you need a housekeeper. You said to me, the house is so equipped that you don't need nobody to do it for you. You understand? I create the problem we have. Nothing wrong with Jamaica. Nothing is not wrong with Jamaica. And the decision that make and make you no scared for living in our own country. Because I don't know, when you come down and go back in your neighbor who go build up a mansion for. That time, Tom only have one bedroom. Tom bad mind you and then you do your things. Wake up, make smart decision. Alright? Yes, I felt like I never adapt the American culture. And I respect the American culture. But I never adapt the culture because it's not my culture. And I feel that every single person, if like if you come from Haiti, you have a different culture. If you come from Trinidad, you have a different culture. So it's everybody go with different culture, but as I said, respect everybody's culture, but I never adapt it because that's not me. I'm Jamaican first, you know. But as again I said, I respect the culture. Yeah, man, fruit tree nice ski, man. Because right there's one doom from tree on the side now. I'm even I back here, sir. I whole heap of land there, whole heap of big tree around there, you know.
Banana, 2 banana tree on that
One rocket banana they right there, so you see. Ripe. Look there, it's a ripe. And big banana. Then go, it starts to ripe. You get maybe they're not what you see. I look at now.
I go.
Go, I go a big.
Like I said, like 1 minute go.
You want brief?
Go back.
What you say?
So we put away my
No, put over your head.
I know you want
It's more than my line up, man.
Where's that one?
Get control of the seat, but for the last night.
How much?
Me, I got black here, man.
Don't copy your copy, Slado. Don't copy your copy. Don't you want to be like Slado?
Tell us it down.
Me not have Slado lighter, brother.
You're right, I know.
Me never have your lighter like that.
You use the lighting.
You're wicked.
You don't give me back. The march gun, yeah.
Watch ya.
Why you like it? So we can
That's why. That's why I IQ.
Well, I know who
We don't have no IQ. We don't have no IQ.
where IQ there?
IQ.
But I said them I get fat in them.
That's mine. That's mine.
Boy, I get thick in them, man. Why? Yeah, nyam.
Yeah, eat.
Why the girl them bedspread and pillow? Don't get it in a corner piece of the last night.
You come to room last night, man.
Go.
Then do that now you be there your foot bottom still black same way. So you know bend down your foot bottom. If people don't tell life for them house. Not tell life for them. If people them house.
Me and this stay to man. They wash room.
You know what you got to attend to this, brother.
I'm what me foot but see
A maroon that is a maroon that. Watch the great Zimba. The great Zimba.
Chucky numbers are Chucky. You remember what he said over? You remember it?
Yeah? I mean, Japan man bust him up off of the
bicycle.
Put it on the back of the bicycle, the boy Lego.
Lego? And 13 foot.
13 foot. Damn jackass.
You can talk about the one from the bars from the seat too.
I should have bust in that too and you would have no bikini. You know why? If I did make sure I don't in the back no because you know we have no bikini.
You must put up the seat.
Me not do it. If you up at the back of the bike, where your leg go for? You're super
This
bad.
one I foot far, this one I go under. I just want to up on the back of the bike, me ball over seat. And the bicycle. Chucky do it to me. Almost water then neither.
I'm introducing him to the good lotion.
Lotions and the high
Not bleaching,
but toning down.
Also I get burnt too.
So that Richmond.
So black no. So red.
Red, you know.
Me can't see your red door. No, me can't see that red. Me can't speak. You can't picture him red.
There's a black man.
What does a white
What does a black man be?
What does a white man, bro?
So Junior, you ever bleach it?
No.
But your sister did bleach, and your brother bleach. Jay did bleach chili ugly.
And no give me
Oh, I want to do like that. I rub my in
No. Never really was me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I'm a jerk.
Yeah, man.
You
might Jerry, you take Jerry cream and
Jerry, I remember that time, man.
No,
They
I
said you
Jerry
have
that.
this red.
I jerk that.
Chibi.
White.
I Jerry, man.
You don't put that no give me the skin.
Yo, they look on Jerry face, say white and him blood.
I don't know why you have to James. Yeah, brother, why you do to yourself?
What?
So I didn't think, man, didn't think, but I got destroyed
Bleaching
yourself.
fix somebody, but somebody man, you know,
One down.
Me not put that no color for skin.
Boy, I tell you, say, no, say the ice. I know, yes, so wait. I know, yes, so Junior, the ice come from. You see, yes, so, open this, and take out the ice.
So, what for the
You have to, no. Ice make it own self. And then the water and the ice come out there. So you press it right there, so.
Yeah, I run a cup.
Yeah. Put it all water that. So clean up no mess around there, so now.
What? People crush ice that too?
Yeah, crush ice. You can get crush ice too.
Crush ice in the what? We say crush ice what? Already. Oh, a few. Crush ice.
That's I got it.
What's that? Oh, I don't know what's ice man.
It's a sad. Junior, them never open the fridge and take out the ice. Never know so the ice come through the door. The dispenser. Boy, never, boy. Zimba. Boy, me I tell you, say.
What's that boy? Wow.
Who open the fridge and take out the ice with their hand? No, sir, real idiot, Uno.
Real Jamaican.
No, sir, real idiot,
Real
Uno.
Jamaican.
What Jamaican what? Jamaican what? Stop wearing dirty shoes like people them house.
No, I don't go to from.
Yes, sir, you don't suck out the ice out of it.
Oh my God.
And the ice just make itself. You see when it empty, just make back more ice, you know. You know, throw water nothing in there. And them, and this alive. You see it? And them you alive, Zimba. Boy, you know, it's sad when you carry country rat come at town. But me I tell you, you know normal at all. Real idiot them. Real idiot. Real idiot. I may cook callaloo and dumpling. You hear me say callaloo and dumpling cause I'm in Lana, Jamaica. It's like say me want callaloo and dumpling. So I take up my ass this morning, go to the supermarket, and I go make my callaloo and dumpling. You see? I have me sweet potato. I get my cornmeal. You know, they have the pop soul. Yeah? Like this so. Right? I get my callaloo. Yeah. I buy my callaloo in the supermarket. Yeah, I get one papaya. Get some scotch bonnet pepper. You know, you're in the certain neighborhood. You know, you have to buy things in a supermarket. I mean, a Richmond, so you know, so you have to get it down at the supermarket. Yeah. I'm going to go raisin bread. I get me chiffon butter, if you know. A little oil. 2 can, because I have an Airbnb, as you can see. And I have my okra. I get salt, but they have salt here. I never know they have salt. And I have, I tell you guys, this bag when you see me open, it cost me $100 US. So, let me show you what I get for $100 US. I put the whole of them here so I can see it. So that will apply to $15,000. Right? So that would be about $15,000. $15,000. So I put everything what I get in the supermarket over here so you can see it. 15,000. $100 US. So I put everything over here so. Yeah. Right this so. Alright, the milk. Right, so I put them together so I can see everything what I get. Right, so see it here? See it here? Alright then, let me turn the camera around So this is everything I bought. 15 plus 100 US dollar. That's it. That's it. 100 US dollar. So this is not in a hit. No, this me carry with me. This not in a hit. So that's what me get. 1,000. 15,000, which is equivalent to 100 US dollar. See, that's it. So my party and I'm gonna cook and I can see. Yeah. Right there, so. Yeah. Now the tuna water. And I have the tuna in that already. But Maurice, who would I do that now? Who else? Tell me now. Let's be demure. Let's be cutesy.
That don't make sense.
Who could have put the dirty dishes then in the sink? Let's be demure. Let's be cutesy about it.
One.
Yeah? Water is life. So with the outside, with no fear. The outside with no fear. So me have my papaya.
Can I wash reverse, baby?
You don't want the skin, I want inside. Yeah. I don't know what I say. I don't eat papaya and I can eat some of the seed. And the seed help clean out the bacteria, you know, them worm in the belly bottom.
That's what I see there. You need some of the seed.
Wait, let me cut off you. Let me sit inside now. Yeah, swallow. Yeah, say.
Papaya sweet.
Me some people now they say me bad mind.
You are making them, you know, no pin.
No, sir. You better move in aside. No, me know you peel it, brother. Just allow me things, brother. You live at Jamaica, you can't have papaya. No, go plant it. You can see them go plant it.
Whatever. Let's me plant papaya. That's my papaya growing on my backyard, G.
Left plant it, left here and go on.
Let's go plant seed around this smoke.
There's a take that one I go plant. So whatever go dry, plant, throw a frog all over. Pressure say him no plant papaya, and it just grow.
But you know, say I big papaya them she grew up around up here, but the small one no grow.
The small one them no grow.
Because them
Agriculture.
Papaya. If I plant big on big, you know, come small again. You peel banana already?
Oh, no peel banana. I don't peel banana.
Young girl, peel banana? What could I call this? What could be this?
I don't peel banana.
You don't
I just core banana and throw in a pot.
You just say don't do bananas.
I don't do bananas. Yeah, Cooley.
Yes.
Yeah. Chef Cooley this.
Yes.
Chef Cooley back at it again.
At it again.
Chef Cooley.
At it again.
Why Chef Cooley has said about the flower the woman?
At it would. Out. Slap that ass. Slap that ass.
Oh yeah, Chef Cooley.
Work it. Flour properly marinated. Slap that ass. Slap that ass.
One copy.
Slap that ass. Hi, Paddy Matty.
Now we have to tell people what you have to
Callaloo and dumpling and banana and saltfish. Back way. I put them back way. Callaloo cut up? I cut up already. Pop choy. Cut up this?
We can mix pop choy and callaloo together.
What you mean?
What kind of cooking that day?
What could be this?
What kind of cooking you make, brother?
What could be this? You can little bit.
Like a record now.
Mm-hmm.
That can't do
I know it's like a half, you just in belly, I know.
Look here. Look here. Where you buying belly? Look here. Eh?
Alright, Jim, I'll do more of this. With the callaloo.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do what I tell now, this don't make sense. Wash our dishes first. So just put nothing in a dirty in a dish, not because I don't clean to the eye. We don't know why in there.
You don't know why in there?
No why in there.
You don't know why in there?
No in there. So we wash our vegetables. Wash our lettuce them. Clean and nice, all leaves washed. And my lettuce I get all the fertilizer and spraying, you know.
And you know, I just did something good, and then you come to me afterwards.
I was start for lettuce clean. You know, take check. Clean cooking we say. Lettuce have to clean. Alright, we'll cut up the lettuce them now.
You cut them burger?
Yeah, I'm going to cut up the NG. I'll cut the lettuce up.
Go on, Chef Cooley. May I cut you in, Chef Cooley?
No, that's well done. You guide the knife with cap. When you guide the knife with your finger, back of your finger, then slide down by your finger. See it? You won't put your finger.
Okay.
You guide the knife on your fingers. You never cut your finger.
I hear you, Cooley.
Yeah, once you put your fingers, it glides on your fingers. You'll never have a cut finger.
Like him.
Sure, I never cut two pin.
So we had to mix the callaloo with the
With the lettuce.
with the lettuce.
Okay.
No, what kind of cooking you depend? Now what kind of cooking you depend?
The banana, I'm going to like here.
Yeah? So if you don't forget about the banana.
What could I pass this on? How the banana come to the cook?
Banana don't, but the dumpling garden I care.
It's not safe.
Not at all.
This can't be safe. Tiny potato first.
Dumpling going up at the for potato, brother.
You have to peel the potato, put it down.
No, sir, potato turn black, brother.
No, brother.
No, sir, I don't know which country you come from.
Chilani.
And well, if a Chilani you come from, sir, hey.
Go back.
Right there, so. Go over there, yeah, right there, so. Up on that side there. Look on that side there.
Salt, yum. You never wash off your jig.
Let me wash it.
And salt, bro.
It's so thicky bit. I because it's thick, you know. You need the lighting in your bad. You have bad lighting in your, I tell you, look at that one in our home now. You make a dumpling.
Yeah, but you won't make the dumplings into the water. We don't put dumplings in cold water. Put the dumplings in boiling water.
Boiling.
So, continue cut up your lettuce. The show must begin. The show must continue.
You have to continue.
Yeah.
When you're there watching, you know, watching I want different place. Watching like you're there, let's say you need a visa.
A different world.
I know you need a visa to come and watch it, so.
Yeah. And the plane fare more expensive here.
Mm-hmm.
Like, share, subscribe to Oneyardie.
Yeah, cause you're Chef Coolie.
This is Chef Coolie. In the house, in the building.
Mm-hmm.
Elvis don't left the building as yet. Still here.
Still in there.
It's still there. We are make it happen.
We're out here with no fear.
Right, we're out and stunting.
Mm-hmm.
Like bunting.
I like Peter Bunting.
I'm like Peter Bunting. Then I like Bruce Golding.
Right, so. Mm. Ladies, if you don't want to know man to cook and sing and do everything, he's right here.
Yeah, you need a man who cook and clean. I'm this. Alright, I'll make a dumpling them now.
Mm-hmm.
Pot a boil. Now, I'll dry way on. I will make.
Yeah, you can't make too much dumpling salad.
I will not nothing else. Banana there.
I whole wheat dumpling make now.
Whole wheat?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you have the tribe them who come from the other side of the island. When you have them.
What wheat first? What wheat from over there, sir?
You never tell me. You put her in there.
Oh, no, man. I eat white dumpling.
Well, you can't me dumpling, G.
I can't eat dumpling either.
Healthy, very healthy.
No. I only eat whole wheat.
Can't make dumpling healthy, G.
Me no in a no long argument.
Can't
I
be
said
dumpling.
what I said.
Can't make dumplings are very healthy.
Me say, me no near me.
Whole wheat not good for you.
That's for your problem. Me no have no problem in my belly.
This is how our grandma grew up on canned dumpling and caramel dumpling.
That's for your grandma.
That's how we grew up on. And we not left our roots. We not try nothing new. We are work with our grandma grew up on. Grandma grew up on caramel dumpling.
Whole wheat dumpling.
And canned dumpling, we great
Whole
like can.
wheat dumpling. Whole wheat
Why
dumpling.
people stop that?
It's salty what's that? It's
Pewter.
salty tuta.
Yeah, the pewter.
Jesus, peace.
We are cooking again.
Mm.
We are eliminate salt. So back
Then
to the
you
dumpling.
should have put more water in it, man. Cover it with it up.
No, I'm on that. I go boil over in fire.
Mm.
Dumpling them continuing.
Yeah, I'll tell you me for next summer this year. Chef Coolie, I go do the
Whole wheat
the
dumpling.
whole wheat dumpling. Come on, no name nothing white. Right, Coolie?
Meat, no white.
Right, Coolie?
No white meat.
Right, Coolie?
See the salt here, G. Yeah,
A sugar that's brother.
This?
That means I'm going to put in it a while ago. Wait there. A salt you put it.
Banana salt you give me, no, G. How are the clocker?
A salt, man. No salt, man. A salt.
This is salt, taste it.
No, sir, you taste it.
You might not sit
No, sir, no, wait there. People not salt this year.
Banana salt you give me.
Man, not easy spicy. No.
Banana soap powder you give me. You can see dumpling them a sudden like pot, you know, G. See salt here, G.
A salt.
Oh.
A table salt.
Oh.
A table salt.
Oh, see real deal, yeah.
What I want time, you know. Maurice's brother did use cinnamon powder. I remember when seasoning me. So he make season, he make cinnamon
chicken,
cinnamon stew. Whether your brother too? Half a brother then.
None at all.
So what you do with this flour then, no slather? You beat it?
Yeah, beat the flour.
So that then I like the flour you make for me?
You say just 1 and 2.
It's your damn face in my frog.
You say just 1 and 2. I'm going to give you 3 dumplings. I'll just give you 3.
You know no food, no more food, no matter in a pot then. Nothing else can in a pot
But
then.
I can't tell no more. Can't get flour too.
4?
Yeah. I give you
I mean,
four.
also Jamaican eat all 7 dumpling one time, you know.
19.
19 dumpling.
That's my record.
You eat 19 dumpling one time, sir?
When me younger.
No, sir, I don't believe that.
Yeah, man. Then you have to Jimmy. You eat 34 and you want to eat 35.
Who?
No, you take on the name flour.
Eh.
Eat 34 and broke your record and a man to 35 and eat 34 and 3/4 and vomit.
Happy vomit. My stomach can't hold that.
Vomit like a pig.
Alright, we can pick up back from big beach like we out, man. Alright, sir. Sort also. Some of that season there. I want all onion I use, eh?
Yeah.
Some of that season there work. See color, you know what you color look? Don't you?
Watch it, put it nice. Turn it, cut out the apple.
I taste the saltfish.
Still salt. I put water upon it again.
What a saltfish salt, man.
Right, then cooking.
Mm-mm.
You have to soak them in water before you cook them.
The salt, you know, that say, my stepfather would say, the salt till the buck. Little oil. The salt till the buck slaughter. And my stepfather would say, Master, you don't know, Beady man, everything you know, it till the buck. You know, I toast my season now. In my pot. Yeah. I'm going to use some of it and cook the why is that all? You cut them like a hog, man. No, brother. I'm not saying you cut up season, brother. No, man. It's supposed to do the saute. No, man. Saute is in the saute. I want to love you, man. Yo. No, can't cook. No. Tell me if I can't cook. Just tell me if I can't cook. Let me know. We cut big salad, so see we cut up nice and you have saute season and you got season. It's a salad, yeah, make this a salad. I say you're a big chef in a peggy sauce. What the factory? Yeah, man did it. Stop season them like a hog feed, name a cook. A hog feed you cook, brother?
No, human season.
Seems like a hog feed. A hog feed you cook.
Don't never like this, you know.
What?
Put up color.
Well, come.
Burn in everything and then you see me.
Do you have good protein?
So.
Have good protein, you know?
Oh, then the game there.
You're my
I pay them the game there, G.
I see dumping and here it's a happen people.
Happening.
Yeah. Why my belly a roll? What's that? Let me put no more in there. Put the rest in the fridge.
No, man.
But it can't hold.
This won't go down to nothing.
So it can't hold.
Relax.
So put the rest in the fridge, brother. It's another day. Rain not going to fall tomorrow.
Alright.
Yes, right there. Jesus Christ.
Right there.
Put it on back, brother. Right there, sir.
Right
You
there,
look
sir.
for the pot. I don't look for the pot. That's all I want. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, bang it. Yeah, bang it.
Yeah, man, real country man. Guys, this is sapote. Black sapote. It's a fruit. It's not native to Jamaica, but it's here and it's a fruit. It's very good for your immune system. A lot of things. It's even said it's good for I forgot the type of cancer they say lupus, I think. Yeah. I'm not a doctor by any chance. I just want me here. When I read up on them say I'm a good feed, but right? But trust me, it make a mean punch. Now I tell you something, I'm gonna show some this is the fruit. Trust me, it's black You have it tastes almost like a chocolate pudding. I'm telling you. The first time I had it, it was green, and we were like, ew.
Bitter. Sweet.
Bitter. But when you ride, and sapote, I think outside of the sapote is green, but inside is black. A lot of people not gonna like it because it's so, you know, black. But it's really good. It make a mean punch. And the season for it is between December, February. And anytime I'm in Jamaica, I try to get it. Because it's not native to Jamaica and it's not native to the America. It's not native to North America. It's native, I think it's native to South America. I love it. And if you want it, it costs a lot of money to buy it in New York because they import it. But it tastes really nice, guys. So I bought it and I take it out of the fruit, scrape it out, and I freeze it. So this will be going back to the States with me. But I love it so much, I'm telling you. You just want one jagan, a little nutmeg, little sweet milk. You can even use dates in it. You could just get the dates them if you want to add sweetness. If you're a person that don't use sugar, you can use your dates and want Guinness in it. Alright? But then again, the Christian they will claim they not drink. You can't drink the little Guinness in and do nothing because one Guinness a day keep the doctor away. Right there, so right now, I'm going to use half of this Guinness because I don't want to jump some people.
Some people head spin.
No, I make some people head spin. So, I add a little Guinness, you see it? A little Guinness. Open the milk there for me, Slado. Not even the red can go with the regular milk. Aye. So I put the whole of Guinness in it. Yeah. And then so you have to always drink some of the Guinness. So bless your heart. See it there? Bless your heart. Ja! Rastafari. Lick them ja with lightning and thunder. You never know see a Georgia castle live right there so. I mean no hype and bossy. Some of them broke like dog and I move like giant tourists.
A poor Bobby.
A poor Bobby. Jesus please. Me broke on Papa Ross. But I move like a giant tourist.
Poor Bobby.
Alright, add a little milk. Yes, right there so.
Got them broke Bobby.
The milk at taste good, Sada.
You're not negging, you know.
Blood fire.
Milk you want to lick it.
No. We don't none of that around here. We don't do those things.
Turn your hand and lick it.
We no licking here, no licking. So can live at Jamaica and live nice. Look ya. Support a punch. Support. Hey baby. Support. So it's all like a seed in it. God. It look nice and creamy. You know what this look like it would I make? Like a nice ice cream, a sapote ice cream. So yeah, so we are saltfish. Right, this is slado and this is the callaloo. Ooh, Murat, look at me do slado. What's the penine? What happened with this? Okay. The soup out of stunting. Right?
You know the representation is always important for the presentation. So we got Oneyardie TV, and that if you look for, that if you make your eyes them hook on Oneyardie.